This naturalrefrigerants.com article is being read by an automated voice. New York apartment complex installs 95 kilowatt CO2 hot water heat pump by Christina Hayes. Published July 15th, 2025. A multifamily apartment complex in the Bronx, New York, has upgraded its domestic hot water system by replacing its gas boiler with a high-efficiency 95 kilowatt capacity and 27-ton refrigeration capacity CO2 heat pump. The air source Lars E-Therm unit, which delivers outlet water temperatures of around 170 degrees Fahrenheit, 77 degrees Celsius, and has a COP of 4, was installed at the 48-unit six-story building in support of the city's electrification and decarbonization efforts. The installation of the Lars E-Therm is going to make a huge difference in the performance of this building, said Francis Rodriguez, Weatherization Director at the Association for Energy Affordability, AEA, a nonprofit organization that supported the project. We'll achieve greater efficiency with less equipment. The installation sets a benchmark for future electrification upgrades in New York City's residential sector, according to project partners. It offers a scalable and sustainable solution for multifamily buildings, they noted. We're so happy with how this project went, added Rodriguez. We'll most likely use this install as a prototype for all heat pump water heater installations going forward. While the new heat pump meets the building's entire domestic hot water needs, the existing gas boiler remains in place as a backup, Dominic Danqua, energy engineer at AEA, told naturalrefrigerants.com. Government policies. The AEA partnered with the South Bronx Community Organization and the Father Gigante Organization to secure a grant through New York State's Weatherization Assistance Program, which reduces heating and cooling costs through energy conservation measures for low-income households. Government policies like the recently amended 6NYCRR, Part 494, which has established GWP thresholds for refrigerants in various HVAC and R equipment, also have a role to play in supporting the state's adoption of sustainable technologies, noted Danqua. Most of the projects, either new construction or retrofit projects, are mainly driven by regulations and the availability of funding incentives, and not necessarily a desire of owners or developers to go electric, he said. Plug and play. The system comprises one Lars E-Therm plug-and-play, CO2 heat pump unit, stratified storage tanks, and a tank system control to supply residents with an efficient and reliable supply of hot water. The heat pump is pre-charged with R744 refrigerant and features an integrated double-wall heat exchanger, streamlining installation, operation, and maintenance, according to the AEA. By eliminating the need for a secondary glycol loop, often associated with added complexity and cost, this design also enhances system efficiency and reliability. The plug-and-play design made our lives much easier and will continue to do so for those performing maintenance, said Rodriguez. For larger projects, up to 16 Lars E-Therm units can be installed in cascade and to supply capacities of up to 1.5 megawatts, 426.5 tons of refrigeration.